much to my Azúcar de Papa sa Starbucks, diba? Thank you so much. Everybody, this is my Azúcar de Papa. Sabi niya, ano
Miss.
yung Insta360 naman yung
Yung order mo sa Starbucks.
Ang dami nawawala.
Starbucks. Should I just get a whole bunch of mocha fraps for everybody?
Lahat. Vanilla soy latte lahat.
Oh no.
Okay na kami.
Should we have mocha sauce? Yeah. How many should I? How much here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 10? 10 na lang, no? Jelay! Kat! Anong Starbucks? I'm gonna get a spam. Want one?
Yes, please.
Let's go. Team KKK. Guys! Your Starbucks is here, guys!
Thank you so much.
I'll put it... Do itashimashite. I'll leave it here on the table. Wakarimashita. But first, Starbucks. Our spam mother... This is white mocha sweet cream. That's yours? Zipable.
Ice triple grande vanilla soy latte.
Oh my god.
Diego.
My diet got up, huh? I'm eating spam. Oh, it's so good. Dati, yung bahay ko, code name sa bahay ko is B1, Piney Chick, B2. So yung driver, whoever my driver was at the time. Sir, saan tayo ngayon? B1, B2, B1.
Di balik natin yung code name na yan. Starbucks.
Yung pala yun. I don't know what everyone wanted, but so I just got a bunch of mocha fraps.
Yes! Tumaba na ako!
Parang hindi naman. Bakit mo sasakit yung pante mo? Gusto mo bumili ng bagong pante?
Mamaya, bibili
I
ako.
got you.
Bagong panty.
Mm.
Bibili ka? Thank you so much mga my loves. Ginawa niyo daw number 1 si Mr. B kagabi. At super happy siya kasi nadagdagan siya ng show.
I got 2 new shows, guys. I'll be in Winnipeg and working on Toronto.
Yay! I think marami pa tayong I got yung mangyayari habang...
I got you.
I think marami pang I got you na mangyayari habang paalis siya dahil may nadagdag siya dalawang show.
Pagkita yung Hong Kong natin.
Thank you so much, everybody! So, hindi namin sure kung... Hindi natin alam kung ano pong magaganap sa Hong Kong, guys. So, ipunin lang po natin if itatry namin madala. Meron din akong super BFF dyan na taga Hong Kong. Pwede nating maiwan or baka ma-meet namin kayo, guys. We love you! So, a day in a life with Mr. B.
Tingin mo?
Charot. Ihatid niya ako sa Lashes!
Sige.
Bye-bye! Love you, Pang! Thank you so much to my Azúcar de Papa sa Starbucks, diba? Thank you so much. Everybody, this is my Azúcar de Papa. Sabi niya, ano ibig sabihin ng Azúcar de Papa? Sabi niya, that's so sweet of me daw. Kasi ano daw siya, ibig sabihin, it means daw,
Sweet.
sweet daddy. Sweet daddy daw ni Katie.
Yep.
Hindi niya alam sugar daddy.
Kaya pala asukal.
Azúcar de Papa.
Asukal de Papa.
Oo, nababasa ko lang kasi yun. Azúcar de Papa. Thank you so much. Azúcar de Papa. So, eto na nga guys. Na-convince ko si Mr. B na magpalashes. Magpalashes siya. Hi, ate. Ganda ng pilig mata niya. Oo, laban. Wala na tayong lashes, gosh. Hi, Kiki. Hi, love you. Can you fly kiss? Fly kiss. Look at me naman. Thanks, Mr. B.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.